There are several ways to share PowerPoint presentations in Zoom. You can share as a full screen presentation or configure PowerPoint to present in a window and share the window, or use Microsoft PowerPoint on your iPad and mirror your screen to Zoom. Here's how to configure and run each of these options. Let's start with the normal full screen presentation mode. In Setup Slideshow, select Presented by a Speaker Full Screen. Click the Share Screen button and select the PowerPoint app. Then start the slideshow using the PowerPoint controls as normal. The slideshow will take up the entire screen, although you should see your Zoom floating control bar. You cannot see PowerPoint's controls or any other apps on your screen in full screen mode. Advance the slides by clicking the slide, using the mouse scroll wheel, the arrow keys, or the page up and page down keys. Press the Escape key to exit the slideshow and return to your desktop. An alternative is to display the slideshow as a window. First, go to the Slideshow tab and click on Setup Slideshow. Select the Browsed by an Individual window option. Now your slideshow will display in a window that you can resize and move around on your screen, although it will show up as a full-size show on participants' screens. This can be an advantage if you need to see other windows, like notes, or just like to keep your desktop controls in view. Note that this option does display your PowerPoint window controls to participants. A great option if you have Microsoft Office on your iPad is to present the PowerPoint slideshow on the iPad and mirror the screen to Zoom. Your iPad must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the computer you are using for Zoom for this to work. It's a simple two-step process. From the Zoom meeting, select Share Screen and then select the iPhone iPad option. Then click Share. Then from your iPad, swipe down from the upper right corner to open Quick Actions and select Screen Mirroring. You should see an option to mirror to Zoom. Tap the screen to return to PowerPoint, then select the Slideshow tab and tap From Start to start your slideshow. Swipe left to advance the slides. Pinch the iPad screen to exit the slideshow when finished. If you need to share sound from your PowerPoint presentation, you have to take a second step after you begin screen sharing. Find your floating toolbar, then click More, the ellipsis, and select Share Computer Sound. I hope this video helps you with some options for using PowerPoint with your Zoom presentations. Subscribe below and click the bell so you'll know when we drop another Zoom tutorial. Thanks for watching.